Your book this week for IRA week number 10 is The Gingerbread Man. Remember to scan your QR code to listen and watch the book before you start the prompt. If you have already listened and watched the book today, then you can start the prompt right now. The prompt says, if the gingerbread man ran out of your oven, what would you do? Do you think it would be hard to catch him? I've set up both of your sentences today, so you're going to finish them with your thoughts. The first sentence says, if the gingerbread man ran out of my oven, I would, and you're going to complete that sentence by telling me what you would do. Remember to end your sentence with a period. The next sentence says, it would or wouldn't be hard to catch him because. So the first thing you need to do is decide, would it be hard or wouldn't it be hard? Circle which one you would like to choose. It would be hard or it wouldn't be hard. Then you're going to tell me why you made that choice. So it says it would be hard to catch him because, and then tell me why it would be hard, or it wouldn't be hard to catch him because, and then tell me why it wouldn't be hard to catch him. Remember to end your thought with a period. Your name needs to go at the bottom of the paper too.